Hi everyone, welcome to DotNetMaster. So guys, today I am going to be announce, one more service we are going to be provide from the DotNetMaster. Okay, that is, we are going to be help you out, outstanding creating the, mini projects and major projects and end-to-end services like, selecting from the, right from the selecting from the, project title and till you get a, even we help you out in explaining the project and help you in the writing the code, right? We are going to be helping in the writing the code. Okay, so and also and also we are going to be help you out, technical explanation, technical, end-to-end explanation, like the project concept, what are the problems it is solving, functionality wise, technical wise, we help you out. So that's what we do. See, generally, that the current market, how they are going to be do the projects, right? Most of the students, they go to the, they purchase the project is not working. So the dummy projects, a lot of dummy projects are there. Okay, so now we are doing very different way. Okay, so first of all, what is our steps is, first we are going to be, we are collecting the, we are I am going to be provide you the live projects. Currently, what are the current, problems, facing, live. So that related projects only I will, I will send you, select from that, projects. Okay, we work on the, I am going to be explain you complete, diagram, what, how to achieve that project end to end. I will explain you the functionality, what is the major problem we are solving by achieving this project. And then we work on, after the, we work on the, like, complete coding wise, like I guide you how to, write the code, what the things you need to do, how to execute the code, how to do the unit testing. I have explained you end to end. Okay, so guys, already some students, they already they have, they enrolled our services. I'm, all enrolled services. They got outstanding response from the college, college, and they got the good marks, even in academics, who is doing the projects. Okay, so whatever I have the real-time experience in the projects, completely I will explain you. So what is the current industry, how the projects look like in their real, software companies. So that complete knowledge I will provide you. Okay, so whoever the students, they want to be do the own projects, mini projects, major projects, we have a very good, titles in especially artificial intelligence, machine learning, or either in the Java, either in the, .NET. Okay, so if anybody is interested to do the project with the .NET Master, we help you out in, or like, selecting the right project, project title, how to create the, like, abstract in each and everything, we help you out. Okay, if anybody is interested, just message, just reach out to us. So definitely we are going to be help you out. Okay, so guys, whoever the last year some students, they have taken our services, 100% the positive response, and when they are getting the good technical and, functionality knowledge about the project. And also in academic, they scored out of, 100, they got the some, 98, 99 percentage, they got. I'm telling about the, marks. So whoever the interested to, take these services, just, message, just reach out to us. Definitely we are going to be help you out. That's it, guys. Thank you very much.